internet. And a little reminder again, don't forget to like and subscribe, will be appreciated. Without wasting your time, let's get to the video. Cloud computing planning. Before deploying application to cloud, it is necessary to consider your business requirements. Following are the issues one must consider. Number 1, data security and privacy requirement. 2, budget requirements, type of cloud, public, private or hybrid. Data backup requirements, training requirements, dashboard and reporting requirements, client access requirements, data export requirements. To meet all of these requirements, it is necessary to have well-compiled planning. In this video, we will discuss the various planning phases that must be practiced by an enterprise before migrating the entire business to cloud. Each of these planning phases are described in the following diagram. You can see the diagram by pausing the video. Now, strategy phase. In this phase, we analyze the strategy problem that customer might face. These are two steps to perform the analysis: cloud computing, value proposition, cloud computing strategy planning. Cloud computing value proposition. In this, we analyze the factors influencing the customers when applying cloud computing mode and target the key problems they wish to solve. These key factors are IT management simplification, operation and maintenance, cost reduction, business mode innovation, low cost outsourcing hosting, high service quality outsourcing hosting. All of the above analysis helps in decision making for future development. Cloud computing strategy planning. The strategy establishment is based on the analysis result of the above step. In this step, a strategy document is prepared according to the condition of a customer might face when applying cloud computing mode. Planning phase. This step performs analysis of problems and risks in the cloud application to ensure the customers that the cloud computing is successfully meeting their business's goals. This phase involves the following planning steps: business architecture development, IT architecture development, requirements on quality of service development, transformation plan development, business architecture development. In these steps, we recognize the risks that might be caused by cloud computing application from business perspectives. IT architecture development. In these steps, we identify the applications that support the business processes and the technologies required to support enterprise application and data systems. Requirements on quality of service development. Quality of service refers to the non-functional requirements such as reliability, security, disasters recovery, etc. The success of applying cloud computing mode depends on these non-functional factors. Transformation plan development. In this step, we formulate all kinds of plans that are required to transform current business to cloud computing models. Deployment phase. This phase focuses on both of the above two phases. It involves the following two steps: selecting cloud computing provider, maintenance and technical services. Selecting cloud computing providers. These steps include selecting a cloud provider on basis of service level agreement, which defines the level of services that a provider may meet. Maintenance and technical service. Maintenance and technical service are provided by the cloud provider. They need to ensure the quality of services. Well, that was all for today lecture. We're gonna meet you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay tuned, have a nice life. See you in the next video. Bye.